Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, I post video, you will be the first to see. My brothers and sisters, I don't come again today. Today, wetin I take come today. Now this our sister when he be say he dey Germany where they don't take in son. Now in matter I take come today. So my brothers and sisters, you see all these women sometimes and then they make their children, they grow when he be say their children will come out, you go say that they beat them or that they do this. How many German or Igbo you go see say that they take their children? Because they know they take their children, those ones they behave well. You know, you go use the same hand where they take care of your pikin for Africa. Now you go take care of your pikin here. Because if you want live out the same way where they take care of all this Oyibo for you want use and take care of your baby. Your baby go grow when he go pass you know go fit control them again. Because we not get the same character. I will tell you today whether them born here or he not get the same character. If you check about the whole children where they commit crime for in London now, those children where they took knife for London, go check them. All of them are black children where they're born for London. Go check them. Not London. Go check them. So, my brothers and sisters, this woman again don't do another video. I know say one boy don't come out now say this woman get HIV. Say na in son, na in wife before, na in this, na in that. But that one not be the problem. That one not be the problem. I want more now watch the video. After we watch the video, let us continue. Okay? Thank you guys. Stay tuned.
For my head. The father of the baby dey Italy. That one now his name na God's power. You will be say you say your name na Bright. You will bribe me with 500 euros. Say you want use my pikin. Do I say I no go gree. Then they go talk say now you get the pikin. They go talk form allegation for my hair. You they talk say that's why I be this. That's why I get this. That's why I get that. What it concern that one with what they happen now? What they say I beat my pikin. They what it concern you accuse me. You know accuse. Why we be like this? Something go happen for person. Go talk to another thing. We some people now go day one corner just to spoil the pump. Make the thing worse. Me. What you want gain? If anything bad happen to me now, for example, now say okay, as you call they mock me now, this one spoil my name now. They come they talk about me bad now. The one way you don't know about me, the one way you know now. What you want help me now, or you want comment anything for my body? Now they make some woman they can't enter social media because of enough talk, enough something. You go can't enter. Maybe I be cry hard now. Make people help me now. As I see people the way that they accuse me, some people they say that they I don't want marry. Now it cause some people they form allegation for my head. I know Europe law. I know what it day. I know my now me wear shoe. Now me know how they pay me. Now me know the man way love me. Now me know the man way really love my children. Now me know my way they follow me because of documents. Now me know the man when be say you know what they there for me, you want scatter. This Bright way they talk so when you say it be my man, so when you now they feel say now true they talk so now lie. Now lie, my family no know. My family I talk and say I don't want to bring my issue come here, but somebody now you want push me because you want my talk. You want my talk because now thank God say now he use the man they find trouble. So because I be don't want to talk about him. Now he they find trouble now and he don't come push himself. I don't want a person use me shot now for say person come bring in they come out to hey this girl a bad woman. But now person use the mouth bring himself come out now. And you will be say what if that they call you? I don't know what if that they call you this guy. When they do video now I just see you what if that they call you? I don't know what if this guy name Enogie. You will be say I know you for Ego Samuchi. Will be say even your house self you not get door. You will be say you no get on. Are you they talk about me? From Europe for years, say oh whoever say cigar, woman they smoke cigar. If you know say baby, he can't see before then he see. He did no man, he might what they okay, be or home. So that one not be anything. That one not be any na na otamu wewe evi na ya accuse ni ya accuse so weak won me ono na akabe accuse we na we na HIV ruwe ono na ruwe ono na we bodo ne ekwe ma be mu we na we gbe la video we have do accuse me oh ye ikwo ni buya live video ni do abie we yan do atalo yan do we mi no ma keke ni na o do asie. You understand? Why courage woman? Why do you make the normal? Why to woman? Why would why frustrate woman? Why bomb wa? Okay, then why he we video na banner way? Okay, why ya hurt me? Abi wa pity me na? Or to why would why women me dana? Or why you only make me wana? Or why only me lose someone na? That is all you want, abi? Only even ugwalo abi no lose. Never me jene lose me backbone. O wagwalo. Ba me ne ne yan la diane. Or why ne ni o a bright or what yen? What that for me? Or we or you know ya confess. So a bright in wahana nia or we young girl in your money biana when all the way blood testing. A bright in wahana no bribing me or where a side don't shade ya beer veganina more if soon we got suspecting we are here being mudako vani. After we are deported in no money with 3 months we got a hammer a correct 3 months a bright in a calling me. Honor when it ya happy many don't beer beside the end. Iriya abia beside the bright. Igi bia na bright now do bribe me with €500. Ona we sisi me be ni be ni yen. Ina work yet yourself force me. If we family organ self here my no sunu because my vat no. E mi not me have why ni here ho. So yet the organ family organ buy. Because yet even the family organ calling me.
My brothers and sisters, you don't hear what he talk now. He say the boy won't come use that baby when he carry for back. He won't use and take chop adoro. They give him €500. He said this one now we won't claim this baby now. This one will come out now where to say she get HIV. He said that one now won't claim the baby. He won't give him €500. So my brothers and sisters, what of the one where give him belle when he born for? He said that one they don't deport and go Italy. So after they deport the one where you get belle for, go Italy, you not feel wait. Maybe 1 day or 2 days or 1 month or 3 months whether that one go come back. You don't still carry another one. May they use and they take the waiting. May they use the picking the chop adorosena and baby. My brothers and sisters, this is the problem of all these our single mothers. This is the problem. When you see me, they talk about it. Not that I don't know what I'm talking about. I know everything that I'm talking about. You people that know it, you don't want to talk about it. That one is not my problem. This is why. Look at this woman now. You see, say he draw tattoo everywhere, even in breast, even in hand, everywhere. He even draw Jesus own. You don't know, say not be waiting Jesus want for him. Jesus go the verse where you don't see, say you don't draw tattoo for him body because tattoo is against the law for Jesus. You understand me? See tattoo everywhere. When we talk about it, they will say this, that. No, now waiting they happen. This woman now when he did like this, now whether you don't born 5 children, 6 children, this woman go see better man where go marry him, take over those children. He go see until tomorrow. But will he like that kind of man? He not go like that kind of man. He not go like him. 5 boys, Rasta boys where they smoke igbo. 2 of them go they smoke igbo together. Tell me how that kind of man you want to build future with him. Because why? In the name of say you collect adoro money, then give you. For that boy for going to be saying that this woman have HIV. You understand me? Now the one when want chop adoro with his own baby. Now be the one when want chop adoro with this woman baby. Now the one where you can't be a friend after the one where give her belly they don't deport and go Italy. You understand me? If you check the guy, if you see the way where the guy they talk, you gonna say that one now real junkie too. Because that one don't know why he come Europe. Now all this kind of wayward people, now all of them they meet to each other. No one get head, no one get sense inside. See this woman now, fine, everything is dey okay with him. He go get better man. But he will not go like the kind of man where go dey with him. Bear everything where she they pass through. Bear everything. He not go like that kind of man. And that is why that we continue losing. Do you believe that they talk only one song for him? Now only one they don't end. Not be that one it end though. If she will take advice This advice, I would like to call her and give her this advice. This advice will go a long way with her. If she use that advice go, it go help am, it go help am so tey e go like wetin I tell am. But some of them still don't want to agree with it. Because why? That is why I tell you that you say you want to change a woman. You can't change a woman. Only what the woman wants for himself can only help her. You understand me now? If I will tell a woman now, don't do this thing now, she know that she's doing is not okay. But if she don't want to take that advice, she will not take it. That is why I always say they don't decide for man. Man decide for what he wants. Okay? This woman will be coming on live video every minute now, every hour. It will be coming on live video. Before you know, this woman will get depression. Now she not get depression now. But when people keep talking about it on social media, talking about it, she herself will still come out and talk about it. Before you know, this woman will get depression. They will take all these things case. It's not about prayer. That is what I always tell you people. It's not about prayer. It's about a wisdom. Anything where this woman they do when you know say the thing not dey okay, she go stop to they do all smoking igbo, inviting many friends, many male friends, inviting them to his house. He will stop it, and he will start living a good life. Before you know, they will return her son back for her. Everything will be okay for her. And anything where the youngest Sam tell her, she will agree for everything. Where the youngest have said they will take her to do this, they will take the children to do this, he will agree for them. Only when it will be very hard for her, when he start arguing with them, dragging with them. Before you know, they will take her to court. From that court, they will be doing this, they will be doing that. They will take those children back. So, my brothers and sisters, I will leave the video for you people so may una still watch them again. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. Stay tuned.
He want claimer because you know say I get document. He say he want claimer to be pikin. Because I know say Europe that they do blood test. I no fit do am. I no fit do am. Now if they talk and I say in my man, in this, if they form allegation for my head. The father of the baby dey Italy. That one now his name na God's power. You will be say you say your name na Bright. You will bribe me with 500 euros. Say you want use my pikin. Do I say I no go gree. Then they go talk say now you get the pikin. They go talk form allegation for my head. They talk say na so I be this country. A woman country. A woman that is doing like a man. Not always woman stand say ma. If man not give you food, you not go eat. If man not help you take care of baby, you not go do nothing. Now waiting. Only man, waiting man supposed to do when you want to enjoy, you enjoy with you the time when you want to back. You don't need to pack all your problem for my body. Or if anything happen for you, carry your husband name, you can't talk out for social media. My husband is bad. Anything when waiting me and man pass through. If man do me bad, let him go to judge. I'm not gonna bring down for you. Please stop calling me your husband. Where your husband? If you know you like me right now, you love these children, you are pitying me, you don't want me to die, I don't cry for you, you don't see my tears well. If you know say you love this girl and you love the little children when you remain so, you understand? Ben, what is happening? Why are you laughing? Okay, you are game. That one with game just a laugh. So if you know say you like this woman, I'm still single. I never married. Come and join me right now. You come, you bring your hand for help. Say this woman want change your life. Even though na cripple, even though anything when you dey pass through, even though you are a cripple, I fit get problem when be say I not get luck for man. Now I fit get wetin dey disturb me. You no know. So I fit get luck now. Say they say oh this woman not go marry. I fit get some people now when be say they my village when they press me say make they scatter the man. Me and the man go quarrel. Man go just dey run you. You don't know. So stop judging. Stop judging. Now you dey meet some people start frustrated. They're smoking igbo, they're smoking drug because of you people mouth. The way una go push them for waiting una not supposed to. I need encouragement and I need strong. You people when you do video, when you talk about me good, God go bless una. Una generation to come, una children no go ever suffer. But you that do video, you did not know me, you don't know ask me, you don't know what I'm passing through. I cannot tell you yet. Then you judge for me. don't worry. Your own case will also come to you so that you will.
December, I had contract in a 3 years contract. He has submitted the contract. So the rest of the team at any time, I to arrest I go to the letter into lose card. January, it's raining on an 80K leave. January 15, I decided. I sent you a picture, you want picture here, no, again. January in the first time in Lawai because you're going out to one now. 5 listeners, so now, the hell not 20 video of January. So, now we are for another women protest. We are protest coming and the woman, you know, they told me that woman supports the India like Europe, you only fuck up with no area, man supposed to look for area, man clear. But when you understand what we're getting on the problem, you know, the woman, now your hand, now so anything really when yes, if for you dinner one, understand because no race 16 years if you work on it. Anyway, on my first boy, they are Spain, they are parents, so much disappointed the family. We put the hero away, I need to go. He said you go now only go need or you go now with problem now so you walk away in case you are idea or calling a person like one will call all those things. I mean Chapman I already tired of them Mario really understand make it pay you one money all those calling me number. So we think with that January make it bad this that it you after like 2 weeks they know how my now we because we are you can't know the Kiwela way before. You know, we think now we not able to solve our corner or our woman allow Baba the same. One of the women the same. Illegally, I have a sonny Baba listing your brosso. Illegally, I have a sonny or one lay with Dore Bina. Woman, I'm a dinner, Mina, Mewono. Woman lay with Dore or ye pets. Then I'm with Betty Cooper and I are even on limb. Master, I'm no more when I soon up it out. Even when we shock, when we shock get up, make sure that word get up. You have to come in away. I know you mean I didn't understand where. I'm gonna make your man do more. Was soon now we are understand. The way we think it, you know, in our lock up. So here when I get any protest, you go on so one paro. Maybe one, you're not any protest. You know, you know, when you can have one, no one, all those things. No more, I must do a protest. Understand, bro? On HIV, Baba. HIV. Bro, this thing, you get HIV, man.
You know, so these people now, my brother, my sister, you know, so these people now where they do live video, I don't know whether they get sense or they not get sense. Or this mumu guy now, where call this guy now, 2 of them, they talk nonsense. You know, say woman get HIV, you carry, you won't go marry. Many of these men, they not they agree stay for one place. They big belly, they bonbon anyhow. They work out for the whole Europe. Some of their baby mama they Spain, some they Germany. So look at it useless thing where in they talk for in maths. Look at everything where in they talk. This is why we have problem with all this kind of useless and an entity set of people. You are talking woman have a HIV, woman do this, woman do that. Now you have the same HIV too. This kind of boy now, I need the picture. I want to post in picture. If you know this guy, we really need to post in picture for social media and let the world know that this guy get HIV. You understand me? You dey talk say woman, your former woman get HIV. You forget say the place where you dey talk, the useless talk where you dey talk now, you get am. Oyibo they just they tell una say person will get HIV if he sleep with another person, no go get am. They just they use and they tell una so that una mind go feel cool down because when they tell una say una get am, una go they fear. Now wetin they tell una. You will see who get HIV, you go sleep with them because say they take medicine, you know, if you contact her. You are a useless set of person. You are a mumu. If they hear they talk about it. I wish I have your picture, I will post it. How many Nigerian women where they grant asylum for Germany when not get HIV? How many of them? Even other Ghanaians, Gambia, there are not many. family cannot grant you asylum without nothing. They must get why they grant you asylum. It is say you will just come now. They pursue me for Africa, and when they do me, they go grant you asylum. So my people, all these kind of boys, we need to expose them so that they know they give belle everywhere. So my brothers and sisters, thank you so much for watching. Please, if today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Bye.
Spells on the beat.